This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
Just got on the third floor, coming out of the elevator. I'm about to show you a beautiful one-bedroom unit on a third floor. On this floor you have exit here, and this hallway, beautiful hallway with a lot of natural light, and there is another exit at that corner. It's a bright hallway. Here you have a trash chute. You don't have to go downstairs, just open this and drop it in here. So the unit I'm about to show you, I just left the door open for this video. It's unit number 306. As you walk in, you could see how bright and beautiful the unit is. It has this gorgeous hardwood floor, very high ceiling, huge windows for a natural light. Beautiful. Here on my left, coming through this window, I mean, since this door, sorry, you have this storage closet. My storage closet. You'll be looking out to the Nardian Street, very quiet street here. The street is located between Lombard. This street is located between Lombard and South. Here is your living area, what your living area looks like. Beautiful. Then you have this nice kitchen with an island. The kitchen has upgraded countertop, nice tall fridge, big fridge. Storage cabinets, built-in microwave, gas oven and cooktop, additional storage cabinets, dishwasher, deep sink, this is your view from your kitchen. You also have a garbage disposal, a deep sink, nice sink, and it's just a gorgeous kitchen. Right across the hallway from the kitchen, you have your washing machine, almost brand new. Then you have your bathroom. Bathroom has a beautiful tile floor, tile wall, exhaust fan here, tub shower, bathtub and shower combo. You have this nice medicine cabinet, sink, toilet, additional cabinet space, nice bathroom. The last place I would like to show you is this magnificent bedroom. As you could see, it has huge windows for a natural light. Big storage space, closet space with built-in shelf here. You got a lot of space here. This is your bedroom, very nice bedroom. You have a central heat and air in the unit. Yes, gorgeous apartment in the Beekman's Place. The building is located at 1720 Lombard. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. I thank you for watching. Bye.